Welcome to another episode of the Park's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making 1 gallon of Sichuan chili oil, which I plan to use on everything I eat over the next 6 months or 6 weeks. So let's get started. Okay, the main ingredient today is the Szechuan chili flakes and Szechuan peppercorns, also known as the numbing pepper. Because Szechuan chili pepper is way too spicy, I'm also adding some regular Chinese chili flakes and some gochugaru. We'll need garlic, numbing peppercorn, shallots, cloves, roasted sesame seeds, cinnamon sticks, almonds, star anise, cardamom pods, and bay leaves. We're just gonna need to crush these garlic cloves so that they can best release their aromatics once they cook in the oil. And as for the shallots, we just need to peel them and cut them into halves, and it's for the same reason as crushing the garlic. As these garlic and shallots release their flavors into the oil, our chili oil will be that much more flavorful. We're now ready with these spices, so let's heat up the wok. I'm using a gallon of vegetable oil. You just want to use neutral oil for this. Pour everything in and heat up in medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then add the crushed garlic and shallots. Now go ahead and throw in the rest of the spices into the oil. Basically, you want to cook this in medium heat for about an hour so all the flavors get infused into the oil. You need to make sure the temperature stays around 225 Fahrenheit. Adjust your temperature accordingly so the oil doesn't burn the garlic and shallots. While the oil is being infused, let's prepare the chili flakes. Add 2 cups of Chinese chili flakes into a metal bowl. The oil will be very hot, so you need a container that can handle the heat. Metal or porcelain containers would be a good choice. Now add a cup of Sichuan chili flakes. Even though this pepper flake is a bit spicy, it has such amazing aromatics that will just permeate through the chili oil that we'll be creating. Now this is optional, but I'm adding 3 tablespoons of gochugaru for the added flavors. Now just mix it around. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Now really mix it around before we pour the oil into this batch of chili flakes. About 30 minutes into cooking, take out all the garlic and shallots out of the oil. At this point, they have definitely done their job. And keep cooking for another 30 minutes. Time to pour in the hot oil. Use a big strainer and just be careful when you do this. You can see that the oil is sizzling and cooking all the pepper flakes in the container even after you pour it in. This will keep boiling for additional 10-15 minutes, so please be very careful. And stir in the chili oil so everything will cook thoroughly. Now we'll prepare 1 batch of chili sauce using fresh shallots, garlic, and some chili oil that we just cooked. The chili oil we just made is a pure version of the oil, so if you want just one of those ready-to-eat type of chili sauce like you see in a dim sum restaurant, you need to add these fresh ingredients to it. I'm also adding 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of black vinegar, and a teaspoon of sesame oil for that nutty flavor. Now we just need to fill up the rest of the container with the chili oil that we just made. And as you keep this in the refrigerator, this will keep giving flavors for 3 to 4 weeks. Of course, before you do that, mix this around thoroughly. Now for the rest of this chili oil, I'm just going to store them in a pure form. In the refrigerator, this can last up to 6 months, which I doubt will last that long in my refrigerator. This is about 1.25 gallons with the oil and all the chili flakes that went in there, so I can say I am set for a while. And that's it. This chili oil is so amazing and it has so many applications. You can pretty much put it on everything that you eat. For a starter, I'm gonna put some of that chili sauce I made earlier on fried eggs. Look at that. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks for watching.